Hi, I'm Krish, I'm from Year 11 and I'm the Vice Leap Captain.
Hi, my name's Chelsea and I'm one of the Vice Leap Captains in Year 11 at Berwick. And today at lunchtime, the Leap Captains hosted our first ever Shark Tank at Berwick.
We had 4 teams participating, from Smart Home Energy to Social and Safe, with Social and Safe taking the crown in this fantastic event.
The idea we were pitching for Berwick Shark Tank was Social and Safe, our card game.
This experience was really good. Today and last year we had an amazing time, and through the development we were able to step up our game and fix our pitch.
We were very excited to receive the $200 seed funding today at the Berwick Shark Tank pitch.
With this money we'll start the production of our cards and have set up some meetings with Ms Fearsome from Haileybury.
Hello, I'm Mr Meunier, Head of Innovation and Entrepreneurship here at Haileybury. Today I was out at Berwick to see our senior school Leap Captains lead our Shark Tank event. We saw 4 amazing teams pitch their ideas for $200 seed funding, and it was great to see our students lead our Enterprise and Entrepreneurship pillar.